Hello everyone and welcome to UPS Education. In this video, we will show you how you can fill up the application form for JSS Mysuru for M.Phil in Clinical Psychology. So let's get started. First of all, we will click on the URL section and visit www.upseducation.in. Here, we will click on the updates tab to know all the recent updates. Here you just need to look for the JSS application. Here it is. We'll click on it. Now, all the details regarding the JSS Mysuru or JSS Academy of Higher Education Mysuru application form for M.Phil in Clinical Psychology are available, like their eligibility criteria, the number of seats, the course duration and their fees. The application procedure of JSS Mysuru is mentioned here in the article as well, and we will also add the link of this particular video in the same. So to apply for the entrance examination, we will click on this link. Now we have reached on JSS Mysuru admission portal. Here we will register as a new applicant and we are looking for the course of M.Phil Clinical Psychology. So we will select the program M.Phil courses and we will select M.Phil Clinical Psychology. You can write your name here, just your first name and your surname. Now here you will select whether you are male, female. Here you need to select your date of birth. I'll say 01012 upset. Here you need to fill up your email ID. Your mobile number, your state and city, and click on sign up. Now that you have registered for the application procedure, here you just need to fill up the OTP that they have sent through email. Mine is 140860 and we'll verify it. Now you need to select your college preferences. Here I'll say JSS Medical College and M.Phil in Clinical Psychology. Save and next. Now we have reached on the basic details section. There you need to select your complete name, nationality, religion, your category. If you belong to OBC, SC, ST or other, we will select general. Caste, if you want to select it, let's say your admission category, if you are belonging under the NRI category or not. If you are a disabled person, you can select yes, otherwise no. Here is the candidate identity type. You can select your PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, driving license or voter ID. Just simple as that. I'll say Aadhaar card. Then you need to fill up your Aadhaar card number, your blood group. Now in this section, you just need to upload your photograph and your signatures as well. Okay, I'll select the photograph, this one, and your signature, this one. Okay, now you need to select your address. I'll fill out the address. District, and your PIN code. father's name, mother's name, their occupations, email ID of your parents, you can choose not to fill this as well. Now you need to select one of your parent and their identity. Save and next. Now here in the academic details section, you need to fill up your academic details like your 10th, 12th, your bachelor's and your master's degree details, like your name of your university, name of your college, your degree name, your marks, your class, grade, your passing year and medium of your instructions. If your result is awaited, you need to select this option, and you can save and next. Now we have reached on the documents upload section. Here we need to select all these documents like our 10th and 12th mark sheet, and our degree mark sheet is required, otherwise you can submit all of these. We'll upload them one by one. So now we have uploaded all the documents. We'll proceed further. See, our application is submitted successfully. Now we will just proceed to make the payment for the application fee. Now you need to pay the application fee, which is 2000 rupees. You can pay it by UPI or some other option. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful for you. Let us know your doubts and queries in the comment section. Thank you.